What's up, quick update video. What's happening on Bitcoin? We see right now Bitcoin has a small dump. Let's speak about this. This is what we will speak. Also, I show you here my trade right now in a moment. What is very, very important, I found a new line which I want to share with you, which is very, very important, because if we're breaking down this line to the downside, this would be, in my opinion, very, very, very clear sign for big short opportunity. So let us start here first with this white line, right? We see here, this white line is since end of October. We see here big support, and right now I'm watching if we're finding here also support, and this line perfectly matches with this what I told you today in the morning. I told you if we're breaking 20,070, this would be a clear short opportunity, you see, and this is perfectly matched with this line. This line is around 2050. I mean, it's not to the dollar, right? Between 2070 2050. If we're breaking with a clear 15-minute this down, I will open a big short position, because then the technical price target would be here. I show you, make this line again a little bit more that you see. If we're breaking this line to downside at between 20,050, 20,070 with a clear 15-minute candle, then I'm expecting that we will break down to this level of 18,700. So this could be on all the trade of 6.7%, and 76%, 67%, 20x average over 100. 30% short opportunity if in case we're breaking this level of around 20,050 to the downside, right? If we are bouncing on this line, right? So if we see here a clear bounce on this line, right, then this would be obviously a very clear long opportunity in my opinion. So therefore I made a very risky trade, because yes, because we were heavily oversold on the 15-minute. 1 hourly is heavily oversold, 4 hourly is oversold, not heavily but oversold, and 50-minute is heavily oversold. So therefore, I opened a very risky short position right now, which is right now 3% in a loss, $10 in a loss. But yes, I take this risk, and obviously if we are breaking here this white line to the downside, I will close this long position, and I will jump into a long, right? Wait a minute, why internet not working? What happening? Wait a minute. Блять. Сука, блять. Wait a minute. Сука, блять. I close my... Yeah. Wait a minute. It takes 1 second. You see also we have very strong dollar. This is also the reason why we see a dump in the Bitcoin market, right? In the crypto market at all. You see dollar is heavily pumping, and we are heavily overbought on 4 hourly, 1 hourly, 15 minutes. So I expecting here that the dollar will cool down. And what it mean? If the dollar cool down, if dollar is dumping, Bitcoin is pumping. So therefore I open a very risky position, bratans. However, if in case we are breaking down this white line to the downside around 20,050, I open immediately a short position, right? So a long position is, in my opinion, right now an opportunity, very risky, with a stop loss slightly below this white line, so below 20K. If we're bouncing here to the upside, then the price target, the first price target, what I'm watching for here, I have again to make it a little bit more clear. If we are bouncing on this line, then I'm expecting here the first price target is 20,500, approximately 20,550. The next price target would be here around 21K, so 20,900. So all 4.3%, 10x average 43%, 20x average over 86% long opportunity on Bitcoin, right? Right now, it's a long opportunity. If we're breaking this white line downside, it's a short opportunity. In my opinion, not a financial advice, but and if you also want to trade on BitGet, where we are right now trading, you can win out of $10,000 prize pool, and you get 50 USDT for free after your first trade. Or if you want, you can also trade on Bybit. They're both the same, both same system, both safe in my opinion, not financial advice. And on Bybit you get $4,620 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit. And if you don't match the requirements, you still, if you trade through my affiliate link, you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, where you get the newest news of the big market market, the macro perspective, and also summarized my videos. So make sure you don't miss out on this. Ethereum, the price target is very clear. If Bitcoin is pumping, first price target will be here around 1,636, and the next one 1,720, 13%, 120%, 130%, 20x, 260% long opportunity. If Bitcoin breaking down, then the first price target is 1,367, and the next one 1,285, 15%, 10x, 150%, 20x, over 300% short opportunity. If Bitcoin dumping, then we can also short Ethereum. Very clear in my opinion. Let us have a quick look on the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is right now, the stock market in US not open. They open 9:30, so shortly they will open, and this will be very interesting. I expecting to see pump because 1 hourly is heavily oversold. 15-minute looks like piece of shit. So therefore, I expecting here to see a pump in the S&P 500, which would cause also a pump in the crypto market, because S&P 500, like I explained you, is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. Obviously, if S&P 500 further dumping, we will see a further dump in the Bitcoin market, but there's not so much space left to see Bitcoin dumping, because we are already heavily over S&P 500 dumping because we are already heavily oversold, right? However, do your own research. So I expecting to see here a pump. Therefore, I opened also a long position. Obviously, in case we are breaking, like I explained to you, this white line to the downside around 20,050, I will open immediately a short position. Yes, and close my long position. So very clear. Don't forget, you can short long on Bitget, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins on Bitget or Bybit. Make sure you don't miss out on this. So this is very clear in my opinion. Yes, if you have any questions, Bratan, please write me down below or in the Telegram channel. What I want to say, I don't know. If you have any questions, write them down below on Telegram channel. Thank you for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.